Good day to you all. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to view an ERC20 token that has been received to your Metamask account on your Metamask, or how to add this ERC20 token. Now, before I get down to this information, I'd like to say that nothing on this video is financial advice and should not be taken as such, because it is my own opinion and what I've learned being shown to you in a video series. So let's get back to the video. Now, first of all, you need to have your Metamask extension set on your PC, and definitely it has to be logged into so that you can have access, which I've already logged into my own Metamask account. Now, to get information, you have your sent and then you have tokens. Now, what do you need to add a new account or a token is to click on add. Now, you need three basic things. You need to have the contract address, the token symbol, and also the decimals of the precision. Now, generally most ERC20 tokens decimals is 18, which is good. And with Metamask, once you add the contract address up here, the token symbol generally would appear. So what do I do in this case? Now, the first thing I will do is I will go back to my address and I'll click on the three dots right beside the name, and here we have view on Etherscan. Now, by viewing on Etherscan, I'll be able to see all the transactions that has been received to this address and so on and so forth, because in most cases people will want to add an address like an airdropped coin to the list of tokens that they have. So you will see all transactions I've received, and right here next to token tracker you will see view tokens, and by clicking on this I can see all tokens that have been received to this address, or all ERC20 tokens that have been received to my address. Now, for instance, I would like to add Crypterium to my Metamask. All I need to do is to click on the Crypterium link and it will take me to the contracts page for Crypterium, and as you can see here we have the contract address, and all I need to do is to copy the contract address for Ethereum, for Crypterium, or go to different places where this contract address could have been published. So I would copy this contract address, open up my Metamask once more, wait for it to load a bit, kind of takes a while. So as it has come up, click on add and then paste the contract address. And as I said, once I pasted the contract address, it showed up as a symbol, and decimals is usually 18. So you click on add and you wait a couple of seconds and your tokens should appear. So let's just refresh that place. Click on tokens, loading, and here you see I own 27.258 Crypterium. Now, the same thing applies to adding any of the other ERC20 tokens I've received. All you need is to get the contract address, the total decimals, and also the name, and then you'll be able to view your ERC20 tokens that have been received right on your Metamask extension. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please do leave us a like, and why not subscribe and click on the notifications bell, because we have so very much more information coming your way on the Crypto Doctor. Until the next time, see you.